Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special tomato curry. This tomato curry recipe can be served along with chapati, rotti, rice or Porotta. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 3 chopped tomato, 1 sliced onion, 3 green chilies, 1 inch-size chopped ginger, 4 chopped garlic cloves, some curry leaves, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 cups of water. Switch on the flame. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook on high flame until it starts boiling. We can make the grinded coconut mixture. In a grinder, take 1 cup of grated coconut. Add half cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. When it starts boiling, change the flame to medium level. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Stir in between every 3 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can open the lid. Everything has cooked well. Now add the coconut paste to it. Also add 2 cups of medium hot water to it. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. For garnishing, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it sputters. Then keep it low flame and add 3 red chillies cut into halves. Stir it for 30 seconds. Now add 5 sliced shallots and saute it for 4 to 5 minutes until it becomes light golden brown color on medium flame. We can add some curry leaves. Mix it well. Cook for a minute. It's done. We can add this on top of the tomato curry. Before mixing it, close it and leave it for 5 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 5 minutes, we can stir it. Our special tomato curry recipe is ready. We can serve this tomato recipe along with chapati, rice or roti.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.